Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, on this session, as usual, we're going to be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for possible entry opportunities. All right. So, if you don't have a real money, I'll suggest you fund your account. So, on this session, as usual, we're going to be all right. So, if you don't have real money in your account, I'll suggest you, uh, you know, fund your account because I'll be providing signals. And if you fund your account on this live stream, you would have access, to my premium group. I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. So to become a premium member, all you need to do is fund your account on this live stream. To do that, just click on that banner where deposit with benefit is original. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10, $10 will give you access to the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 would give you access to the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will give you access for 1 month. And then you also have a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So uh, So today is Friday. Let's quickly analyze the market. See the opportunity. We can open position on and before the market close for the week. So we are currently on XAUUSD. So this is XAUUSD 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the market has been selling for a while. Uh, the market has been selling for, let's say, okay, this is since yesterday. The market has been selling since yesterday and is currently approaching the lower trend line. Now let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have few points, point of interest. So we have this first one here, which is our fair value gap where market had previously rejected from. And then we have this zone. Okay, we have this zone. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. So we have this level where the market, rejected because of the fair value gap. All right, so this is the rejection, and after the rejection here, you see how the market, continued to go bullish, breaking highs and highs. Okay, so after the after this retest, okay, after this retest, the market went up, went bullish for some times, all right, and then gave another retest. So, but this retest didn't, cut in deep into the other block. So right now, I believe this market is, approaching this other block to make another retest. Okay, the market is trying to make another retest from here All right, it's inside this level already. I'm just going to leave this as it is. Uh, so this is what I think would happen. The market will come to the 50% of the other block and then start to move bullish. So this is the bullish movement, right? So this is the 4 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame, and I'm gonna keep an eye on this analysis. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on this analysis uh, because when the market gets to this zone and creates a reversal, the market is going to buy for a long time. Okay, all right. This market can go as far as buying continuously for 2 days. All right, just as we have it on the sell on the bear movement. Okay, so I'm gonna keep a tab on this analysis. So once I get a rejection on the higher time frame, I'm placing the trade immediately. All right. So we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we still have about 51 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right. So our session is just for an hour. Unfortunately, I won't be here, to witness the rejection. But if before the end of the day, this comes down to create a reaction here, I'll be sure to share the signal with my premium members. All right. So if you want to get this, make sure to fund your account. All right. If you fund your account right now, you get a chance to join my premium group where you'll be getting the signals and market analysis. All right. So let's analyze another market. I think we are done on XAUUSD. Uh, yeah, so the analysis here is pretty simple. There's nothing complicating around the analysis. So after the movement here, the market is coming down to retest the level below. All right. So after the retest, I'm expecting the market to go up. So we can actually set a buy limit. So let's say we can set a buy limit around this level, and then using this level as our stop loss. But this is XAUUSD we are talking about. It's a very volatile pair. All right, it's a very volatile pair. Uh, I'm just gonna wait to get confirmation from the market instead. Okay. All right. So next we have Solana USDT. Next we have Solana USDT. So this market has been rallying around this other block since yesterday. Okay. This market has been consolidating. Okay. So Solana USDT has been experiencing a consolidation phase since yesterday. Uh, and the consolidation has, hindered the market movement. Okay? Because as you can see here, the movement, you see, it's not smooth. The market has been trying so hard to break out of this consolidation phase. So now let's analyze the market and see if the market has successfully broke out of the consolidation zone. Okay, what do we have here? We have an order block on both sides. So we have the support zone, we have the resistance zone, and the market, went up, broke out of the resistance zone, but came back down to make a retest. So I think this is just a retest. The market is, the market will continue to go up. Let's just quickly do this here. All right, so this is the analysis for Solana USDT, right? But yesterday, I had predicted that the market was going to buy. I think I made the analysis somewhere around here, all right? And then my stop loss was somewhere around this level. So the market, took me out, came down to this zone before actually buying, okay, before all this movement. So uh, I don't want the same thing to happen today. So I'm just going to wait and allow this market to break above this level. So once I get, a successful break of structure to the upside, then I can use this area as my stop loss because I don't think the market will come back into, uh, this area. So this will be my entry, and this level right here will be my stop loss level. All right, but I'm going to wait for the market to give me the go ahead. Okay, I'm going to wait until there's a break of structure around this area. Okay, all right, so this is Ethereum USDT. Ethereum USDT. So as you can see on Ethereum USDT, we have similar moves. Um, we have almost the same move as we had on Solana USDT. Okay, I think there's a slight difference here. Solana and BTC. All right, I think they're a bit different. Solana is, uh, is it ETC? I think ETC is a bit faster than Solana. Let me just say that. Okay, yeah, I think ETC is a bit faster, than Solana. Or Solana is a bit faster, rather. Okay. All right. So I think ETC is a bit faster than Solana. All right. It's a bit faster, but they kind of have similar moves. Let me delete the previous analysis. Let's make a fresh analysis. All right, so we have a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure here, and this kind of looks like the market is about to make a bearish move. All right, so let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to, okay, we are currently on 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we have this move. Okay, so this is an internal structure. So internal structures are, structures that are built when the market is trending. All right. So to get your internal structure, you have to go to the lower time frame. On the 2 hour time frame, was it 2 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame? I think it was on 1 hour time frame. I drew this trend line channel. Okay, the upper trend line and the lower trend line. So after drawing the trend line, see, I figured that there was a move, okay, a small move that had happened previously around this level. All right. So from here to this level, you see there was an internal structure, and this is a buy structure, right? This is a bullish move. Okay, this is a bullish move, and after the high here, we had a long spike, a bearish candle spiked, breaking, you see, breaking the trend line to the to the downside, giving the bearish market, an entry. So we have the bear taking over from this level. Okay, we had the bear taking over from this level, and that was how this move was created. All right. So right now, I believe this market is still going to go down. Okay, but the market will always look for levels where it can take liquidity. So I think we have multiple areas here where the market can actually go back to take out liquidity. So we have inducement around this area. We have inducement here. We have this inducement. So this is an inducement. And then this level had, previously been taken out. So aside this level, do we have any other level here? I don't think we have any. We don't have any. Okay, we don't have any level. Uh, and this is the 15 minutes time frame. So let's drop down to 5 minutes. Let's see if, all right, so on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this other block. So I think this was created after the fair value gap mitigation. All right, let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame now. Yes, so we have a level, and this level was created after the mitigation of our fair value gap. Okay, so now I'm expecting this market to buy to this area, taking out all these levels. All right, so I'm expecting the market to do this, sell down, make another raise, and then continue to go down. All right. Okay. So this is the move I'm expecting this market to make. All right. This is ETC USDT. ETC USDT. All right. So we are on Ethereum USDT. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame first. Let's start our analysis from there. Okay. Well, let's make fresh analysis. I think this market is All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, uh, that's where we started our analysis from. Okay, and it was clear that the market is currently on a resistance zone. Okay, now let's see how we can enter this trade, because the market had already moved past the entry level, which is the sniper entry level. So let's drop down to the lower time frame and see if there's an opportunity to move along with this trend. Okay. All right. So you saw how I was able to draw my trend line to get this market movement. Okay. So I made sure that the market is touching both the supports and the resistance the market has made earlier. And then, so I think this market is going to continue to buy for now. Okay. So we have these multiple break-up structures to the upside. All right, so this is the middle of the market trend right now. So even though we have the market moving from this angle, I'm not going to place a trade on this kind of market movement. Yeah, so if I'm to place a trade here, my stop loss will be here, and I'll be aiming for this level. Okay, because I believe this market is going to buy to this point. All right. Uh, but I don't like taking trade from the middle of a market trend. So instead, I'll wait for the market to actually finish, making its move. And once I see that the market is on, either a support or a resistance level, that is when I want to open my own position. All right. So I'm going to leave this analysis and wait for the market to actually, make a proper retest. And once I saw that the market is either sitting on a support or hitting a resistance, uh, then I'll follow the market trend and open position based on the market direction, right? So this is Ethereum USDT, and this is the analysis for Ethereum USDT. I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so guys, this analysis that I'm showing you guys, is not just for showing sake. Okay, so if you are here, I know you are here because you want to learn from my analysis. Okay, you want to see how I do things. So what I'm expecting from you guys is, have your pen and your paper and always try to, take an advantage of my free teachings on our live stream. And then aside that, you can always replicate whatever I'm doing here. You can try replicating it on your own chart. All right. So you can go to your chart and draw your trend line channels. So when the market, get to that point, so maybe I've explained that this is where I'm expecting the market to either buy to or sell to for me to enter a trade or open a position rather. So you can also keep an eye on the same trade, and whenever the market get to our trigger point or get to our entry point, uh, you'll be able to open the same position that I'll be opening when I get the confirmation. Okay, so this will not only give you good win rates or getting uh, good trades. It also gives you the knowledge, all right, which is how to analyze the market properly, okay, the professional way, all right. So don't just watch your screen when I'm making analysis. Always make sure to replicate whatever it is that I'm doing on the chart. All right. So let's move on. Let's move on. We are done with Ethereum USDT. USDT. So I think we should make analysis on BTC USDT. All right. Let's make analysis on BTC USDT. We've been making analysis from the other, you know, crypto instruments, but we haven't made from the most important one, which is the BTC USDT. And for me, I consider BTC USDT as the father of crypto. Okay, I consider BTC USDT as the father of crypto because whatever BTC USDT is doing, other crypto instruments, would want to follow the same footstep. So if BTC USDT is buying Ethereum or any other crypto instruments, will also be, even though it's not buying immediately, but it's going to give you that sign that later is going to be a buying market. It's going to be bullish, right? So let's move down to the 30 minutes time frame. Uh, so on the 30 minutes time frame, we've had multiple we have multiple areas where the market had broke structure. Okay, so we have a break of structure around this level. Okay, we have a break of structure. I think we have another break of structure around here. So I'm expecting this market to also break, this structure here. So I'm expecting a break of structure on this zone too. So we have the market retesting the fair value gap. I think we have another fair value gap around here. So this is going to be like our fair value gap number two. So let's drop down to the lower time frame. Let's see if the market is going to drop from this level. Okay. All right. So we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame of BTC USDT, and as you can see, I made a top-down analysis from the 4 hour time frame down to the 5 minutes time frame. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to allow the 5 minutes candle is about to end. Okay, so we're going to stay on the 5 minutes time frame and allow this candle, to touch this fair, sorry, this other block zone. So once we have a touch and the market, you know, gives us like a rejection, then we can go ahead and open a position. Okay. The 5 minutes candle is about to end, and all right. So the 5 minute candle just ended, and we have another 5 minutes candle printing right now. So I expect a rejection from this candle. Once we get the rejection, we'll just go ahead and place our sell opportunity, sell trade. All right. But if the market closes otherwise, close above this whole level without giving us a rejection, then I think we can also wait for another confirmation to see if the market will continue to go up. So if we get a confirmation that the market will continue to go up, yes, we can switch. Uh, you know, we can switch our focus to buying instead of selling. All right. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So we spent way too much time on this analysis, hoping that the market was going to give us, an entry opportunity, right? So if this is not going to respect this level, I think this market is heading towards this next point of interest. Okay, so we can actually delete this and wait until the market gets to this point, right? This is not a rejection. So if the market end up creating a doji candle here, doji candles are not rejection patterns. Yes. So this is the kind of rejection I want. We just need the market, to close this way. We have less than 2 minutes to the end of the candle. So I don't want it closing halfway. I don't want it to close as if it's a doji candle. Okay, if it closes, if the candle closes this way, a long week and a bearish body, it simply means that the market is going to sell. All right, it means that the market is going to sell from this level downwards. Okay, I think it's still within range. Let me draw that there once again. So now we can go back to our lower time frame to make our analysis. All right. All right. So I think we need to wait for the next candle because immediately after the close of the previous candle, um, a bullish spike occurred. And okay, so with what we have on the 1 minute time frame, I think the market is trying to align itself to the reversal. Okay, so you see, patience is very important in forex trading. So if you're a forex trader, you want to learn how to be patient. So imagine if we had rushed into this market immediately, we got the first rejection. You see, but because we were patient, the market, you see what the market is doing here. This is not a good rejection. Okay, I think the market is trying to align itself to balance this level. And once we have that, then we can go ahead and open our position. So let's just give it a few seconds more because the 5 minute candle is about to end. So once the candle ends and give us another rejection, then I'll give the signal and also give the take profit and the stop loss for the trade. Okay, so the candle ended and it's still not to our favor. All right. So, guys, it's already 2 p.m. and as you've all known, our session is scheduled for just 1 hour. We started at around 1 p.m. and we've exhausted, uh, you know, our 1 hour for the live stream. And today is Friday, guys. Uh, so we're gonna end our live stream for this week. Uh, okay, guys. So I'll see you again on Monday. Enjoy the rest of your week. And if you've, made money from the forex market, make sure to make a withdrawal, to enjoy your weekend. I mean, that's the reason why we all are trading, right? So, till on Monday, bye for now.